Looking for a versatile and space-saving solution for your tiny space? The KAIHAOWIN folding TV tray is your perfect answer. Fully assembled and easy to unfold in just 1 second, it requires no complicated tools. Its sleek, high-transparency acrylic surface adds modern style while supporting up to 33 pounds. Use it as a tea tray, computer desk, breakfast table, or study surface. Ideal for small homes, dorms, or RVs. It folds down to just 3.5 inches high for effortless storage. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the comment. Discover the Table Buddy laptop tray, your perfect multi-purpose companion for home or office. With the spacious 52.5 cm by 40 cm tabletop, it offers plenty of room for laptops, meals, books, or everyday tasks. Its sleek black design adds modern style, while adjustable height and tilt options ensure comfort for working, dining, or relaxing. Lightweight and easy to fold away, it's ideal for working from home, entertainment, or casual dining. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the FoldWise television tray, the perfect blend of style, function, and convenience. This multifunctional folding table is ideal for meals, work, or crafts, fitting effortlessly into any room or space. Its elegant marble effect waterproof surface is easy to clean, while the collapsible design saves valuable space. Fully assembled and ready to use in seconds, it offers superior stability and durability thanks to its sturdy steel frame. Everyday living easier with the FoldWise television tray. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the HOMYLIN TV Tray, your versatile and adjustable companion for every occasion. With height and angle adjustments, you can enjoy comfortable meals, work on your laptop, or entertain guests with ease. Its strong metal frame ensures stability even when fully extended. Perfect for small spaces, it collapses easily for quick storage. Whether indoors or outdoors, the HOMYLIN TV Tray offers unmatched flexibility and convenience. To your purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for the perfect space-saving table? Meet the TAO ONE TV Tray, a sleek and modern folding table designed for small spaces. Its transparent acrylic top and shiny chrome frame add a touch of elegance, while its sturdy build supports your laptop, snacks, or hobbies with ease. Easy to fold and store behind the sofa, under bed, or in a closet, it's versatile as a dining tray, computer desk, or bedside table. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.